Ready to snag those grails without breaking the bank? Let's dive into the ultimate guide to placing bids on Stockx and finally getting the sneakers, streetwear, or collectibles of your dreams. First things first, make sure you have a Stockx account. If you don't, head over to Stockx.com or download the app and sign up. Once you're in, use the search bar or browse the categories to find exactly what you're looking for. Alright, you've found the product. Now, instead of hitting buy now, which gets you the item instantly at the lowest asking price, we're going to focus on placing a bid. Tap a bid button right below. This is where the magic happens. You will see sizes. Choose the size you want now. Enter the amount you're willing to pay. Pay attention to the bid increment. It will show you the minimum increase you can make if you want to adjust your bid. If you want to place a competitive bid to win faster, check the highest bid or last sale information to get an idea of what others are paying. It is shown right above the bid placement. Ready to commit? Review your bid carefully. Make sure the size and price are correct, then hit that submit bid button and proceed to confirmation. Head over to your buying tab to manage your active bids. You can increase your bid to stay competitive, decrease it if you change your mind, or even cancel it completely before it gets accepted. Remember, once your bid is accepted, it's a binding agreement, so bid wisely. Now you're ready to dominate Stockx. Good luck hopping those must-haves.